In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to Shopify. Whether you're looking to engage your customers or simply enhance your website with fresh content, adding a blog is a fantastic way to enrich the customer experience. Let's dive right in and get started. When you're on your Shopify admin page, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and locate the content option on the panel. Give that a click, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears, revealing various options for managing your site's content. Among these, you'll find blog posts. This is what we're interested in, so go ahead and select it. Once you've clicked on blog posts, you'll reach a page where you can manage all your blog entries. To add a new one, you should now click on the button labeled Create a Blog Post. This will open up a new page where you can start crafting your blog post from scratch. Here's where the creativity begins. You'll need to fill out the details of your new blog post. Start by giving it an engaging title, something that will draw in readers and accurately reflects the content of the post. Next, you'll move on to the content itself. This is your chance to provide valuable information, share insights, or just connect with your audience. Be sure to write in a clear and engaging manner. Additionally, you can enhance your post by attaching images or other media, which can help illustrate your points or make the blog more visually appealing. After you've carefully crafted your blog post, it's time to look towards the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find the Save button. Make sure you don't skip this step. Type Save and then click on it to ensure that all the hard work you've put in is securely stored. Now, let's consider the visibility of your blog post. By default, it might not be visible to your audience. To change that, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option to enable visibility. Make sure to turn this on so your audience can access and enjoy your content. With your blog post saved and set to visible, you've successfully added a blog to Shopify. However, there's one more thing to make sure your audience can easily find your blog. It's a good idea to add your blog site to your website menu. This way, visitors can effortlessly navigate to your blog posts from anywhere on your website. And there you have it. That's all it takes to integrate a blog into your Shopify site. By following these straightforward steps, you've opened up new avenues to engage with your audience and provide them with more value. Keep writing, keep sharing, and watch your community grow. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.